Hi, in this session I'm going to help you with Smart Club. So ready? Okay, let me come back to my screen. You can see my screen. Yeah, Smart Club. Why to go for Smart Club membership? You might be thinking. Okay, I'm going to help you with the detailed explanation and the concept, the project, what I have built under the Smart Club. Already more than 25 people enrolled and almost more than 400 people took the benefit of these kind of courses. So now I'm going ahead. So let me begin. Okay, so let me just jump to the mind map. Okay, or this project. So many times what I have observed is what are the challenges people are facing. So I came to know there are many challenges when I was guiding my students. Number one challenge is online courses are not being completed. Then I thought what to do so that you or many my students should complete the course. I was wondering a lot. Then I thought a lot. Okay, I came to know that people don't have time for implementation. Then what should I do so that I can help them to implement the things? Next challenge is how to measure the results, whether they are performing or not performing, how I can measure the results. Okay, this is again a big challenge. So considering all these things, okay, I discovered one project, and that is nothing but Smart Club. Yes, friend, you are understanding about the Smart Club. Let me explore the benefits of Smart Club, right? Okay, so as you understood, the main objective of this is to help you to learn the things smarter. I always say work smarter, study smarter. So this project is going to help you to understand the smart learning. Second benefit is I want you to become a lifelong learner. Hope you do you want to become lifelong learner? If yes, then this is going to help you a lot. I want you to take action because I know that only you are going to get the result if you take action. So the secret is action taking. If you want the results faster, then take action. If you want to learn the things with fun and kind of say gamification, then yes, this course is going to help you. So then I thought is can I give whatever you are investing 100% money back? Seems to be interesting. Let me go ahead. Let me share how this is possible. And this I'm doing it as a social responsibility. I wish to share whatever the knowledge I'm having with all the people so that you can grow with knowledge and technology. So this is the main objective that I want you to grow with knowledge and technology. Okay, let's begin. So now how this is the gamification and learning is going to happen, you might be thinking. So first of all, you are going to learn with fun. There will be award for assignment completion. If you are going to complete the assignment, you are going to get award. You are going to get, there will be kind of say reward like a star of the week, star of the day, and thereafter stars of the course. Okay, and then who are the achiever people, superstars of the course, and then certificates to all the participants, and then test to evaluate your performance. These are the things I'm going to cover up. So you might be thinking, what are the different assignments I'm going to cover? See, the assignments are required. These assignments are going to be action oriented. I'm going to come up with those how the assignment will be there. And again, these require only 1 to 3 hours per assignment. And every week there will be one assignment. So this way there will be 10 weeks program, right? So this is going to be completely a self-discovery mode that you are going to learn yourself, and I'll be there to help you to discover the knowledge by yourself, to be better version of yourself. So now let me share with you what are the programs I'm going to cover. Want to know? Let's jump in. So number one is the smart mindset. Remember, all the programming, whatever is going to happen, that happens from here. If you are aligned to the proper mindset, then yes, you can grow like anything. So first session is going to be on mindset. Second session is going to be on vision discovery system. What is your ultimate goal? How people should know you? What is your vision? What is your mission? What are your core values? For example, what is your say if anyone is going to ask you what you want to achieve, then you should be able to tell in just say 20 seconds, half minute. Okay, so that I'm going to help you. Next comes is VFP, that is video from PowerPoint. I'm going to help you how you can create a video from PowerPoint. What I'm going to do, let me cover up all the points, and then I'm going to explain the things in detail. WhatsApp for Business. Fifth session will be on blogging system. Next session, sixth session is going to be on payment gateway integration, smart mobile system, smart social network, YouTube system, and affiliate income system. So these are the 10 sessions I'm going to cover. Want to know the details? Let's jump in. So first is the mindset. As I said, everything depends on the mindset. Okay, so how to set it for the ultimate goals? I hope you are aware of Pareto law. What it says is 80-20 rule, I can say. So how this can be correlated here? 80% result you are going to get from 20% actions. Let me take some more examples. 80% money, whatever you are going to earn, is from 20% results. For example, if you read a book, 80% knowledge you are going to get from 20% of the content. But to get to that 20%, you have to read 100%. Definitely agree. But how to identify your 20% actions? So this is what we are going to cover in mindset. As I said, attitude is everything, and then is commitment and conviction. How you are going to be committed. Next session is going to be on vision discovery system. In this, you are going to identify your niche. Niche is nothing but the area of specialization. See, there are so many variety of niches: business, okay, health, relationship, wealth, make money online. Okay, there are multiple niche or categories are there, major groups I can say. So out of all these things, how to identify what is your niche, which is going to yield results. Okay, so next you are going to learn about how to identify the problems and the solutions, and how to select the audience, define your goals, mission, vision, core values, everything you are going to understand. Next comes is the VFP, that is video from PowerPoint, and even I'm going to help you with learning from Canva, that is the design. You have to create the beautiful designs, and how to create a video from PowerPoint templates. Friends, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you a template. A template, kind of say PowerPoint template I'm going to give you. You have to just use it and convert or create video out of that. So that is what I want you to do it. So other points are like how to do animation using PowerPoint, how to, even you can see like this all animation is happening because of PowerPoint. So how to use PowerPoint template for creation of videos, and how to create attractive design using Canva. This is what you're going to learn in VFP session. In WFB, that is WhatsApp for Business. So in this session, you are going to understand why and how to install WhatsApp Business application. Remember, friend, okay, there is nothing benefit for me by you implementing these all things, but yes, there is major benefit to you by implementing all these action plans. So WhatsApp is not going to pay me anything. You already know how to use WhatsApp, but I'm telling about the next level of WhatsApp, that is WhatsApp Business. You say, is it paid? Remember, friends, whatever I'm going to recommend, okay, there is no need to invest a single rupee. But definitely, if you want to take major advantages, there are many softwares you can definitely invest on that and learn the things faster. Okay, so now next point is how you can update your account or profile setting. Next is how to create a welcome message, how to create away message, or even the WhatsApp secrets. I'm going to share quick reply and so many other things I'm going to share in WhatsApp Business session. Next comes is the blogging system. In case of blogging system, what I'm going to help you with how to share all your information at one place. and that is nothing but your blog. Second is how to do some settings or blog creation, post or page creation, and then is blog features and other things. Next comes is the payment gateway integration. Now I want you to collect money online. You know how to make the payment. Maybe you are using Google Pay or UPI facilities, online credit card and all these things. Now I want you to receive money to your account. Do you want to receive money to your account? If yes, this training is a must for you. So you might be thinking how to create payment gateway account. I'm going to help you with creating payment gateway. You have to pay only the you don't have to pay any setup charges or maintenance charges and all these things. You have to just pay for the transactional purposes only. The details I'm going to share in the training. So benefits of online payment gateway, account creation, products, or how you can add or update your products, how to promote your product, how to get payment from other people for your product or service. Next is the smart mobile system. Okay, so how I'm going to share, there are many applications which are very, very useful and must to save your time, to increase your productivity, and how to use the notes or email management. I'm going to share the 3 top apps which are going to help you to improve your productivity and effectiveness. Next comes is the smart social network. So this smart social network is going to help you to understand or reach maximum people in minimum time. Yes, it is possible. So how to use Facebook, especially the profile, group, page, Instagram, LinkedIn, how to share your information on all the platforms. Definitely I'm going to cover in short, but if you want to go through the details, there are many options I'm going to help you. Next comes is the YouTube system. In case of YouTube system, what is going to happen is you are going to create your own video, your own YouTube channel. Yes. So how to create video, how to upload video, how to share the video with the world through social network. These things you are going to learn through YouTube system. Next comes is the affiliate income system. Last session is going to be on affiliate income system, wherein you are going to learn about how to receive money or even how to sell products or services of others. Okay, so what are the benefits of affiliate income system? How to sell others products and services. There are many benefits. Okay, so those things you are going to learn inside this session, and how to promote interrelated people. Okay, so these all things you are going to learn in affiliate income system. You are going to get an opportunity to make more and more money online. Okay, so let me revise what you are going to learn. Number 1 session is going to be on smart mindset. Second session is going to be on vision discovery system. Third session will be on video from PowerPoint and even plus Canva design. You are also going to understand. Fourth session is going to be on WhatsApp for business. Fifth session is going to be on blogging system. Sixth session is going to be on payment gateway integration. Seventh is going to be on smart mobile system. Eighth is going to be on smart social network. Ninth is going to be on YouTube system, and the last session is going to be on affiliate income system. Friend, are you enjoying it? Along with these things, I'm going to help you with many other training programs also. So these are the definite sessions. Along with this, there are additional benefit you are going to get. So I want you to take benefit of all those sessions. So, okay, let me share the schedule. Okay, you might be thinking like, what will be the schedule? Let me share about the schedule. So the schedule is going to be every Saturday I'm going to release the recorded session, the training program. In the earlier Smart Club training, what I used to do is I used to come personally and take all the sessions. Okay, then I thought like there are many people are having many doubts. So how to clear all those doubts? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the video according to the training programs. I'm going to release it on Saturday. You have to learn it on Saturday and Sunday. So that is the main thing. And every Monday I'll be there live at 9 p.m. for all your queries, questions. Okay, so this time this is going to be a double time I'll be investing, more than that, because creation of those videos definitely take more and more time rather than online. Okay, yes, so there will be more engagement is going to happen. So you are going to have 10 plus live training. Yes, more than 10 live training to resolve your queries and questions, and I'm going to help you to implement. Remember, on Saturday, Sunday, you're going to learn, and on Monday, 9 p.m., you are going to ask any questions related to that topic, whatever we have covered. And you have to complete the assignment by Friday. As I said, the assignment is going to take only 1 to 3 hours. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you are going to get at least 5 days time to complete the assignment. Next is, you might be thinking, what will be investment? What do you think? Is it good to invest? If you think it is good to invest, continue this video and watch it and just let me know immediately. Okay, so let me share about the investment proposal. So the investment is, the value of this training is 19,999 rupees. If you consider the overall value, whatever I'm giving you. So, but for you, no need to pay the total 99,999 rupees. You have to just pay only 1,200 rupees. How much? Only 1,200 only, with 100% money back guarantee. You are going to get all the money, whatever you are going to invest. Yes. So how you are going to get money back? That might be your question. So let me share. So you are going to get money back by, say, 100 rupees per assignment. So you are going to get 100 rupees per assignment. You are going to get after 2 weeks. Even in earlier, I thought to give you after completion of every assignment. Okay, but actually it is going to take a lot of time to go through your assignments and do the calculation and give you back. So this time I'll be giving it alternate week. So after 2 assignment complete, after you complete 2 assignment, you're going to get 200 rupees back. Let me think if I can get discover technology. I can come up with the weekly payment option. Every say maybe you're going to complete all the assignment by when you're going to complete by Friday and all these things, you are going to get every Monday payment, because especially Saturday, Sunday, the UPI payments are not happening. So this time onwards, all the payment will be on every Monday. Super. So 10 assignments will be there. So 100 rupees per assignment, you are going to get 1,000 rupees, and 200 rupees for 100% attendance and assignment completion. Okay, if you are attending all the sessions live, that is attendance plus assignment, if you are doing, you are going to get 200 rupees. So this way, 1,000 plus 200, so 1,200, whatever you are going to invest, you are going to get 100% money back to you. So friend, you might be thinking how to make the payment. Let me share the payment schedule. So you have to invest only 1,200 rupees, 100% money back guarantee will be there. You have to just make the payment by Google Pay, Paytm or Bheem application 959532 1110. I'll repeat, 959532 1110. This is the payment number. You have to just make the payment and share your the details via WhatsApp to the same number. So this is applicable only for first 100 people only. So this is the limited opportunity is going to be there. So I want you to take action as soon as possible. Okay, so take maximum benefit of whatever the things I shared till now, and I wish you great success. So friend, you might be thinking why I am doing all these things. Why I'm doing all these things? Okay, so my intention, actually I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh plus people to earn online with knowledge and technology. My mission is to help at least 1 lakh people to earn online with knowledge and technology. That is my mission. And again, this I want to do it as a social responsibility. I know I'm earning a lot. So now it is my responsibility to give back to the society. What I can give, the best thing I can give is my knowledge. The best courses, all the summary of the courses I'm going to give you in this action-oriented Smart Club session with live and plus recorded. Even friend, I want India, Bharat to be the digital leader. And I want your contribution as major contribution. If you learn, if you become smart, if you use knowledge and technology to encash your skills and grow yourself and the whole country, I'll be the most happiest. So that is also one more mission. That's why I'm doing this activity. So I wish you to know my consultancy, how I do teach, how do I train, how I get you to take action to get the results. So there will be indirect benefits also to me. So, and again, what I'm doing is at no loss, no profit. You are paying 1,200, you are going to get back 1,200. So there is nothing like any loss to me or any profit to me. Okay, so this is my intention this time. I want you to get 100% money back. Okay, only 3 activity you have to do, like learn on Saturday, Sunday, ask all queries on Monday, take action and complete assignment. If you do only 3 activities, you are going to get 100% money back. I'm there to help you. Okay, superb. Let me again share about the payment options. It is, as I said, it is you have to invest only 1,200 rupees. You are going to get 100% money back guarantee. You have to pay by Google Pay, Paytm or Beam application to 959532110, or you can visit the website oa.ourarea.in/SC Smart Club. Okay, SC, you are going to get all the details. I'm going to share the link in the description also, so that you can get the details about that activity. So only for first 100 people only. After 100 people, even if anyone say I'm ready to pay 1,200 and I don't want any money back, I cannot accommodate. Okay, so to take maximum benefit of this training program, so definitely you are going to get a lot of benefits. So this is all about the Smart Club. This is a smart system to grow with knowledge and technology. Please visit oa.ourarea.in/SC Smart Club. Okay, so in this website, you are going to get all the information, all the benefits. This video is also going to be uploaded there, so that you can understand the things. I'm giving the link in the description below. So please take action, and I want you to become better and growing. Wish you great success. Thank you very much.